Welcome to So Darla. Where are we? Oh, do you want some apples?
Yeah.
Right, okay, I'll put them in a trolley. Right, I'll put them in a trolley as well. Thank you.
I want orange apple.
You've got orange and
Oranges and
apple.
apples.
Good girl, you're very healthy, you aren't you? Very healthy. So what have you done today, Darla? Have you been to preschool?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you like preschool?
Yeah.
Do you want to give me that, please?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Sure.
Oh yeah, it's short, isn't it? Right, we're going to go back the other way. Come on, Tim, we're down that way.
Sure. Look, go through it.
So where are we?
It's not short.
All right. Where are we? Are we in Tesco?
Would you like to come and pick some yogurts?
Do you want some yogurts? Go and find them then.
I found you.
You found them? I don't think you like them ones. Them ones down there. She's got a little Halloween bag. Look.
What about these then?
No. I want this again.
£84. Right, let's pick 8. So that's 1. Can you get some more? 2. 3. 4. But they've got other flavours, darling. Do you want strawberry?
Yeah. Strawberry.
That one. Strawberry.
And this and chocolate.
Right, give me a strawberry.
1. 4.
Darla.
2. 3. We've got all.
So we need 2 more.
One of them ones over there.
That's it. What's this one? Want that one?
Look.
No, one more.
Want this one? We need one more. That one.
Okay, right, come on then. We're finished. We're finished there. Round the corner.
Leave your jacket on, darling. Thank you.
To all the American followers and all the others who's not from the UK, Tesco's like a supermarket. This way. This way. Down there.
No, we've got enough toys.
Yeah, we'll do that later when we go into the till. Come on. Right, we want to do that. Go on, Anne. Go and see. Go and see. Go that way. Come. Yeah, go that way. They're down there. Go. No, down this way. No, that's a baby toy. They're for little babies. They're for Jacks. Go on, let's see if we got any Halloween toys. Here, come to have a look at the Halloween. No, that's a big t-shirt, that's not for you. Right, would you like a devil fork?
No, I want.
No, that's for boys. That's for boys. Would you like a broomstick, like a witch? Like this, flying your broomstick. Go on. Fly, hold it. Flying your broomstick! Do you want that one? Do you want this toy? Yeah. Put it in the basket then.
I want this toy.
So you're going to tell everybody, please subscribe to my channel. Please like.
Please like.
And don't forget to share.
Share.
Say goodbye everybody.
Bye.